Hello everyone, I hope you are guys doing great. Do you like boost your immunity? This video for you. Today I am gonna share with you guys what is the benefit of pineapple and how to make immunity boost juice. So firstly come to know what is the benefit of pineapple. Let's get started. 7 health benefit of pineapple. Number 1, contain disease fighting antioxidant. Number 2, may aid digestion. Number 3, may reduce your risk of cancer. Number 4, may boost immunity and suppress inflammation. Number 5, may ease symptoms of arthritis. Number 6, may speed recovery after surgery or strenuous exercise. Number 7, improve with mental health. 100 gram pineapple there is 48 calorie, 5% dietary fiber, 40% vitamin C. Pineapple are rich in flavonoids and phenolic acid. If you have diabetes, you can consume it. So let's make immunity boost juice. Then I will take one pineapple. So first I have to remove the skin because this is a very heavy skin. So I have to first this one clearly. I have to clean this one. So this is ready. Actually my ingredients: pineapple, turmeric and ginger. These all are loaded with antioxidants, so it's really boost your immunity. So let's make. Now I will put all ingredients in my blender. I'll put a little bit water because good for blending. Let's try what is the taste of immunity boost juice. Taste is really nice, so you can try it at home. And if you like, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family. Eat well, live well. Ta-da.